Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to make a setting of paragraph. Let's see how can we make a setting of paragraph. Go to the Microsoft Word and type is equal to RAND bracket on. How many paragraphs you want? I want 3 paragraphs. And how many lines? You can type 6 lines I want and press enter. Then you can see there are 3 paragraphs and there are 3 paragraphs here, and you can make a setting of this paragraph by selecting and go to the page layout tab. Then you will see paragraph option. Just click here. Then paragraph is left alignment. There is a left alignment. It's not a equal paragraph. In alignment tab, I just click justify. I want justify, make it equal, and I also want some space in each paragraph is a start with 0.5 inch space. Just click first line spacing 0.5. You can see here it's a 0.5 inch space and it is equal. Now I want spacing after paragraph spacing. Here how can you give space between two paragraph? I just want like 18 points. Now there is a big difference between two paragraphs, and in paragraphs line spacing is multiple 1.15. Now I want single spacing, line spacing, and press OK. Now paragraph has been changed according to my setting. You can arrange paragraph and you can make your paragraph according to your own setting. Hope these tips will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.